Hey everyone, how you guys doing? I'm Erica. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get more views on YouTube using Reddit. Now before you click away from this video guys, because I know a lot of you have tried to use this platform and it did not work out for you, but you want to stay tuned and I'm going to show you what you need to do to start using this platform and start generating views to your YouTube videos or your blog posts or whatever it is that you do online. Now here I am on Reddit and I'm in a subreddit called Our Videos. So this is a video that has been trending. It was posted about 12 hours ago. Now this is a video that is less than 1 minute long, and if we go to YouTube you are going to see that this video has 127,000 views and it was posted around 2 days ago. Now if we come down here, you're going to see that all of the likes and most of the engagement is coming from Reddit. So guys, here's my profile on Reddit, and as you can see I have around 6,971 karma, and I just created this particular Reddit account. It's not that old, and this post was actually posted around 2 months ago. So I'm going to be showing you a strategy that I use to be able to grow my Reddit account, and I just want to show you this video that I created on one of my brand new channels on YouTube, and I got 55 upvotes by publishing this video in a specific subreddit. So if we go to the video, you're going to see that I have 218 views. Now that's not much, but for a brand new channel that's just starting out, you're not going to get that kind of view from YouTube. You're actually going to have to promote your videos to be able to get your initial views so that your channel can be monetized, or you can start getting views from the YouTube search engine. So there you go. You see I have 55 upvotes here on this particular video. I have some engagement, some comments, and so on and so forth. So obviously guys, you want to go ahead and create an account with Reddit. It is free. It takes you about 1 minute to do, and you can use your Google account to go ahead and sign up to this platform. Now once you do, and you do get onto Reddit guys, you want to go to Reddit and you want to join certain subreddits. Now these subreddits are the ones that are going to get you your initial karma on the platform, and karma is very important for your YouTube videos or for whatever it is that you're trying to promote on the platform. By having more karma, you can also go ahead and create your very own subreddit on the platform. So you want to go ahead and join the our cats subreddit, the funny subreddit, jokes on Reddit, and a subreddit called AWW. Now guys, once you go ahead and join a subreddit, you want to scroll down and you want to read the rules of that particular subreddit. Because with Reddit, if you post something that is not relevant to that particular subreddit or group, and you do not use their rules to post your post in that subreddit, it is going to get removed and you're going to get banned from that particular subreddit. So you want to make sure to read all of the rules in the subreddit before you begin posting to that particular sub. You also want to make sure that when you're posting to a specific subreddit, you are going to have to sort your posts by different flares. And flares is something on YouTube, is like a category or a specific topic that you can post your post under. So every subreddit has their own different type of flares that you can use when you're about to post a post to a subreddit. Now for some subreddit guys, you won't be able to post into them until you have at least 50 karma. And the easiest way to get karma on Reddit is by commenting on other posts that are doing well on the platform. You can simply do this by going onto Reddit itself, and you want to find posts that are actually trending, and all you want to do is go ahead and click on the comments, and you can begin by commenting, saying something nice about that particular post. And as if you write a good comment, your comment is going to get upvoted and you're going to build your karma. You can actually get around 50 karma in less than an hour on Reddit. So once you have at least 50 karma guys, you want to go to the Reddit front page, and you just want to go ahead and sort this by hot. You want to see what's trending on Reddit at the moment. And this is how you are going to be able to build your karma very, very fast on the platform. So this is the trick that I'm about to show you guys. Once you find an image that is ranking and is getting a lot of upvotes, you want to go ahead and do something called cross-posting. So as you can see here, this image is from our AWW subreddit. All you got to do is go ahead and click the share icon. Once you do that, you're going to get the option to go ahead and cross-post this particular post onto the Reddit platform. So now you want to find a subreddit that will be relevant to this particular type of image on the platform. All you got to do is find some subreddit that you think will allow you to post this kind of an image on to their group as well. So I found one here, and it's the pics. So I'm just going to go ahead and cross post this particular post to that particular subreddit. So let's go ahead and do that. Cross post this, and you have to choose your community or the group that you want to share it to. So you just need to type in r/, and then you can begin to choose the particular subreddit that you want to save it to. Now you also need to join the subreddit before you're able to post into that subreddit. So as you can see here, you need to read the rules before you submit anything to that particular subreddit, or else they're going to have it removed. Now this subreddit, guys, may or may not allow this type of a content. So all you got to do before you click the post button, you want to see if there are certain flares that this subreddit has that you need to use on your particular post. So once you see that there is not a flare here that you can use, you can go ahead and post this post to this subreddit. Okay, they allowed it, but sometimes maybe in a minute or two you're going to get a message saying that your particular post was removed from the subreddit. Now because this is already trending and doing well on Reddit, it is automatically going to do well here as well, and you're going to get a lot of karma if this actually goes viral in this specific subreddit, guys. So once you've managed to grow your karma on this platform, you have enough karma, it is time to start promoting your particular niche or your particular videos on the platform. All you got to do is go to our list of subreddits, or you can just go to the Reddit front page and type in list of subreddits, and you don't have to join this particular subreddit, but it is going to give you all of the different subreddits on the platform in all of the different niches. And if you click on any one of them, so let's say cars for example, it's going to give you all of the different subreddits on the platform that you can use to go ahead and start posting your videos if they are relevant. Now you want to make sure that when you're posting your videos to Reddit, they are actually relevant to that particular subreddit, and that particular subreddit actually allows video content. Another way to find relevant subreddits to your niche is by going to the Reddit homepage and just clicking this box up here, and you want to click on top communities. So once you do that, you're going to have the option to click on more, and each of these different categories on the platform, they're going to give you all of the different subreddits for them as well. So if I go ahead and click on videos, for example, it is going to give you all of the different subreddits that are related to videos. You can click on each one of them and you can read their rules and see what kind of videos are being shown in these different subreddits on the platform. So guys, before I show you how to actually go ahead and add your videos to the platform, I just want to show you that we posted this about 3 minutes ago, and as you can see, I already have 6 upvotes. So if I come back in an hour, you're going to see that this particular image is going to get upvoted a lot, and it's going to increase my karma. So let's head on over to YouTube. Let's find a video, and I'm going to show you how you want to go ahead and post it onto this platform. So guys, here's a video that I went ahead and created yesterday for you guys, and all you got to do is go to your video, click on the share icon, and you want to find Reddit. Just go ahead and click on Reddit, and once you're here, you just want to choose your community. So this video is actually about YouTube marketing and so on. So what you actually want to do is find a subreddit that is relevant to your particular type of niche. So as you begin to type in here, so let's go ahead and say YouTube tips, for example. So here you have other subreddits, but these are very small. Now don't worry about how small the subreddit is. The more it is niched down and the more people are actually interested in that particular subreddit, you are going to get your initial views. But for this video, I am going to be using our videos. Okay, so I'm going to choose our videos for the community, and I also want to go ahead and arrange this by flare. Now on here they give you some rules that you need to use to be able to publish your video onto the platform, or else they're going to remove it. So once you're satisfied that your video meets all of the different rules from that particular subreddit, you just want to go ahead and click on post. You want to go ahead and do that, and they may or may not remove your video from the platform. And if they do remove the video, they are going to tell you why the video was removed, and then you can go ahead and make everything right. So guys, I just refreshed the page, and here it is. Here the video has been shown on Reddit, and this is how you can go ahead and submit your videos to Reddit. Just remember that you need to be a part of specific sub niches, and you want to use the list of subreddits page to go ahead and find your specific niche, and you want to go ahead and share your videos to that niche to be able to get your views. So guys, I hope this video helped, and if you did like it, please go ahead and leave a like and subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to be putting out a lot of tips and tutorials on this channel. As always, you guys stay awesome, stay safe, and thank you guys so much for watching.